Once you have created a reference style template, you can attach, edit, and detach that template from your project drawings. You can also have multiple templates attached to a drawing, such as a general styles template that your CAD department might use and a survey template that your survey department might use. Open the exercise file drawing. To attach a reference style template, on the Manage ribbon in the Styles panel, select Reference to open the Attach Reference Template dialog. Click the Attach a New Template button, the plus sign. Browse to locate the reference_style.dwt template, which you should have downloaded to the exercise folder. Select it and then click Open. Note that reference style templates can be saved in either the DWG or DWT file format. Once the reference style template is attached, it appears in the Attach Reference Template dialog, and its status will be pending. At various times, you may see one of 4 different status options. When you first attach a template, it appears as pending until you click Apply or OK. The loaded status indicates that the template is actively controlling your drawing styles. The status Needs reloading will appear if a previously loaded template has been modified and needs to be updated. The final status is Path Not Found. This is the status if the template cannot be located in its originally specified path. Since the reference style template has been attached and is ready to update the project drawing, click OK to close the Attach Referenced Template dialog. All the styles with the same names are located within the project drawing and are overwritten by the styles from the reference style template, and any additional styles from the reference style template are added to the project drawing. Click the Reference tool on the ribbon to reopen the Attach Referenced Template dialog. You can see in the status column that the reference_style template is now loaded. To add a second reference template, click the Attach a New Template button. Browse to the exercise folder. Select the reference_survey.dwt template and click Open. Note that in the lower portion of the dialog, you can see warning glyphs indicating that there are styles in the new template with the same name but different attributes from the previously loaded reference style or from a style in the underlying drawing. Click Apply. A progress bar appears on the status bar in the lower right of the program window. When reference conflicts occur, the program gives priority to the top template in the template name column. You can use the arrows to the right of this list to change the template order. If a change was made to the template, the status would appear as Needs Reloading, and you would need to click Apply or OK again. If the status reads as Path Not Found, you must change the path. To do this, double-click the path in the Saved Path column to make it active, and then click the ellipsis to open a file dialog. Navigate to the folder containing the template, select the template file, and then click Open. To remove a template, in the Attach Reference Template dialog, select the template name in the list, and then click Delete Selected Templates, which is the red X. Click OK to close the Attach Referenced Template dialog. Reference style templates automatically update the drawing they are attached to whenever the drawing is opened. For this exercise, you will explore how to control this auto-update behavior. At the command line, start typing AECC Ref Template Auto Update. As soon as you see the full name, press Enter. The program prompts you to enter a new value, and there are three choices. Entering a value of 2 turns off updates of existing layers only. Existing layers in the host drawing will not be updated automatically, and they will not be updated if you click Apply or OK in the Attach Reference Template dialog. Entering a value of 1 turns on Auto Update and is the default setting. Entering a value of 0 turns off Auto Update. In that case, balloon notifications telling you to update the styles will appear every time you open a drawing with a reference style template attached. Press Enter to accept the default value of 1. Reference style templates are a great way to control the display of drawings sent outside of your company and to maintain your company standards internally.